Hello guys, welcome to the new supercar movie. Dun, 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 dun. Help! Dun 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 dun. No, it's not a car, okay? It's not a car. Dun 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 dun. Anyway, dun 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 dun. No, that's not what it is. I already have found one over here. Huh. Where am I? Princess Daisy! Oh, hello. Help! A giant hand stole me. Help! Get out of the way! I gotta save her! Phew! Dun 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 dun. So on our relentless journey, Car Mario is right there, just standing there, ready to save the princess.
You know what's under here is a whale to save.
Get out of the way! I need to save my beautiful Princess Daisy! Dear Princess Daisy!
This inside this cave is go inside the cave.
No, hold on, we need to go. I need to get everybody out of my way! Get out of my way! Princess Daisy, I can't wait to save her. Yeah! Woohoo! I made it! Oh, are you kidding me? There is another utensil in the way? Oh, you gotta be kidding me! No! Dun 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 dun.
You can see that the wheel divided, right?
Huh?
So the wheel.
Who the heck are you? My name is Pusher Car. I push things out of the way. Thanks. I am Spider-Man. Get out of my way, stupid pony. No! Done.
Okay, class, move in the century line like you're supposed to. Hi, Mom.
I don't know. We need to pump him. Get off me. Your fingers, they're so painful.
Hey, what are you doing?
Sorry. I need to save the princess. Level 1. 5 clip scene here. Fury. Dun dun fa. Shia. Did a bit.
First one on the plane. First one on the plane. Ponyville.
Ponyville? Oh, that place sounds terrible. Hold on.
First one to the
Sure.
beautiful egg.
Dun. Wait after me. Jump in the car. I can fly. Get back here. No. Lava. Ew.